Hey guys, Birdie here with Redbyrd Designs and just doing a quick assembly tutorial for the home mini interchangeable that is available on our website. This kit is really fun to put together. These little ornaments are super fun and they just add a small little holiday decor that you're able to change out, perfect for a desk or something to sit on a shelf where you want to have something that just that you can decorate for the different seasons in a small space. The kit comes with a 9x9 square that is scored with shiplap lines. I stained mine in this example. And then it comes with a second square that layers on top of that, which I'm gluing down now and using my clamps to hold in place. Then it comes with a frame that frames the smaller square, and then a circle frame to frame the HME and the ornaments. It's just a really pretty layered sign. So here I am just gluing all the pieces down. Wood can somewhat get a little wobbly or warped depending on the humidity and the moisture content and the moisture from the paint or the glue or whatever it might be. So having clamps or something heavy on hand is really helpful in making sure that those pieces lay flat while we glue them down. Because once that glue sets and has a proper adhesion, all of the pieces will flatten out perfectly. So the next step then is I'm gluing down the H, M, and the E. It's kind of hard to tell on the video, but most of our pieces, 99% of our kits, have the score mark guide to help you place the items, whether it's in a line or centered or whatever that might be. But I do want to mention that if you want to change things up, maybe you don't want to use the circle frame, maybe you want to place your items in a different order, you can always use the back side, which is a blank slate for your artistic freedom. So keep that in mind as well. There's a lot of flexibility in our kits. The other thing I want to mention is when you're gluing and using the score marks or guidelines is rotate your piece around so that you can see it from all angles. Because what looks good from the bottom sometimes might be a little off at the top. So I always kind of rotate my pieces around to make sure that those are all where I want them to be. And I'm going to glue on the frame here. And then we will apply the ornaments. Now, I love using Velcro for applying my interchangeable ornaments like this, but you could use magnets if you like. I find Velcro to be a little cheaper and just a little easier in this case. So you can get the Velcro from really any craft store. I like using the dollar stores little dots. I think they work great for these little mini ornaments. I also like using them for the big interchangeables. I'll use a couple if need be, but they're my favorite. So here's a quick little tip when applying your Velcro and trying to get it centered properly. I put the the loop side on my ornament, and then I put the corresponding piece right on top of that. So that's sticky there. And I just press it into that using the backer piece of the sticker. So I've got both pieces on my ornament, the hook and the loop. And then I'm going to place it on my sign, centering it the best that I can, and then press down. And now that leaves the hook part on my sign. And to apply the loop side to the rest of my ornaments, I'm going to do that in reverse. I'm going to put the loop down on my sign, remove that backer so it's sticky up, and then put my ornament on that. eyeballing it, centering it the best I can. I press. That loop side is going to stick to my ornament so that when I remove it, the Velcro is right where I want. Velcro is flexible though, so if you don't get it centered exactly, you can adjust it right, left, up, or down a little bit and it will still stick. And that's why I love the Velcro. So that's just a quick little way to attach your ornaments with Velcro. We're going to speed up the process for the rest of the ornaments here, but you can see you're just working your way through. So in this case, you're going to use one hook side and then 14 loops for this sign. And that was it. One other thing I want to mention is these little crates at the dollar store, either the wide one or this taller one, are perfect for holding all of the ornaments that you're not using. It can also be used to create a stand for your sign. So I thought it was a really great idea when I saw it that you could glue this box to the back of your sign and it would hold your sign up and also store your unused ornaments until you're ready to use them. So that was just a quick little thing I found at the dollar store I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Get out there and get creative, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.